Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now it's time for our Valentine's dating game. I am your host, Duffy, with my co-host,
Nisha Yan. Welcome,
Now,
everybody.
We have Mr. Samuel Campbell, a single man who's looking for love. But before we get to meet the lovely ladies vying for his affection, let's speak to him and find out more about Samuel.
Loving the accent often there. That's wonderful.
Samuel, look up. Let the world see you, Samuel.
Don't be nervous, Samuel. We'll
Welcome,
be nice.
Samuel. Welcome.
Firstly, Samuel, tell us who you are, where you're from, and what's your occupation.
My name is Samuel Campbell from Portmore. I work at Buckingham's Wholesale Liquor and Juice in Greater Portmore.
You're right.
Nice. What's the mosquitoes like in Portmore?
Well, but I'm gunman though.
Question, why did you sign up to be a part of this dating game?
But I know I never really made it.
And are you doing? Who
Samuel, they
Who
set
did
him
it
up.
for you, Samuel? Who was it?
I'm a virgin then.
Me know, Samuel, don't just say friends. Family, we say family.
Is there anyone that you'd like to shout out to whilst we're here? Perhaps the person that actually set you up? Just say...
Yeah, give him a shout out.
Yeah.
Yo, Tony.
Tony!
What's his nickname?
T-Y.
Tony.
Eh?
T-Y.
T.Y. It's a friends like those you don't need. But you don't know what will happen
Okay.
today.
So, Samuel, we are actually going to put this blindfold on you, right?
But Nisha's going to put it on.
I am going to put it on, and we are going to invite the ladies out. You're not going to see them, but you're going to hear the questions that we're asking them. And then after that, you'll be able to tell us, you know, which answer do you prefer? Are you ready? Dufton, can you hold my PayPal, please?
I will hold your paper.
Thank
Nisha,
you.
yeah.
Is it this way? I don't know. We're going to
No,
blindfold
the
you.
other way, Nisha.
Are you sure?
Yes, Nisha.
Here we go. All right. All right. Samuel, are you okay? I don't want to hurt you. I'm being gentle, Samuel. Are you good?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
You can see Nisha?
Can you see, Samuel?
Somebody
How many
can see.
fingers? How many? Okay,
All
we're
right,
good.
Nisha, okay, let's introduce the ladies. First up,
Yes?
we have Ruth Ann Roden, followed by Javoni Smith and Denise Edwards. Ladies, have a seat, ladies.
Welcome, ladies.
Right, sitting right there. Let's ask some
No,
questions.
ladies, this is a talk show. I'm going to need you to talk nice and loud. Samuel is right here. Are you nervous? Are you nervous, ladies?
No.
So you are Ruth Ann,
Giovanni.
Javoni, and Denise. Okay, I have
Hold
a
on,
list.
Samuel, you heard the names?
Ruth and...
Yeah. Wait, no man, you heard the voices?
Yeah, well, one time we go something.
Let's
Oh,
keep
yeah,
that
the
right
one in the
there.
middle already. He likes her voice. Ladies, he's listening.
Okay, where you from and what do you do?
I am a teacher and I am from Portmore.
So Javoni is a
Jav-
teacher from Portmore. You guys live close, not far to
Okay.
travel.
Javoni
Yes.
did the voice now.
I am a teacher. Now, Ruth Ann.
Right?
Giovanni. I'm
No, Javoni, this is
yes,
Ruth Ann,
Rutland, yes.
Right.
Where you from?
I'm from Linstead, St.
What do you do?
Catherine. I'm an entrepreneur.
And Denise?
I'm a paralegal and I'm from Constant Spring.
No, I'm gonna need you. All right, we're gonna ask you a couple questions.
First question.
Right.
Ladies, what do you consider a romantic date?
Okay. My idea of a romantic date is going out to somewhere very serene.
And you're Ruth Ann.
Yes,
Just to be
I
clear,
am.
Ruth Ann likes to go to where?
Somewhere serene.
Somewhere serene.
Okay, all right. So, Javoni,
Yes.
perfect romantic date.
A perfect romantic date.
Let's come back. Over to you, Denise.
A perfect romantic time is when the two persons have a chemistry.
Yeah.
But where do you want to
Anything.
go to find the
Once-
chemistry
Once
though?
there is, you'll
Could be
find
sitting on the sidewalk.
Sitting on the
with two
sidewalk.
bags.
there is
My favorite
chemistry
hangout.
there, it will be
Javoni, you
perfect.
thought of what you...
Yes, maybe
Perfect romantic.
a walk on the beach, moonlight, you know.
But you do live in Portmore, Hellshire is close. I like it. Okay, next question. Which do you prefer? Lovers rock or dance hall?
Lovers Rock.
Yes, quick, yes.
Lovers Rock.
Can I say both?
Lovers Rock and Downtown.
Ooh.
You see you? Dennis, I see you. I see your
Denise likes
choice there.
both.
If you were stranded on a desert island, what 3 things would you take with you? From you first.
My cell phone, my daughter, and water.
Your cell phone.
My daughter and water.
That may not bode well, but okay.
Giovanni.
Food,
Right.
water,
Food.
and sunscreen.
Giovanni, food, water, and sunscreen. At least her skin will be nice.
A book, a blanket, and water.
Book, blanket,
Yeah, we're hungry.
and water. Are you having a preference just yet? Not yet? Not yet. He's not sure, ladies. Come on. All right. Who would you best describe yourself as? Yannick Kirby Diva, Shelly-Ann Fraser, Yendi Phillips, or Serena Williams? Let's start with...
Ruth.
I would say Shelly-Ann Fraser.
So Ruth Ann says Shelly-Ann Fraser. Okay.
Hard for catch. hard
I
for
say
catch.
Shirley and Fraser as well.
Giovanni also.
Your athletes
Me
in
think so
there,
you can
Denise.
join up in us so you can get a distinction. All right.
To be
Denise says...
honest, I can't identify myself with any of those, really.
Closest.
No,
Try
seriously.
pick one of them.
The
Closest.
closest one, Yendi.
Yendi.
Yeah.
You know, someone you look Yendi like.
She look Yendi-ish.
Or what do you
It's
prefer?
personalities,
Chinese,
you know, guys.
fast food, or traditional Jamaican food?
Traditional Jamaican food.
Okay.
Chinese food.
Chinese all the way.
Paita.
Right. Okay. One more, and then we go to a break. Actually, you know what? Let's hold up on that. Let's go to a break. We'll come back. We'll ask them some more questions. And Samuel is going to have to choose. Daytime dating game. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Daytime Live, and we are back with our Valentine's dating game, where Samuel here is listening to the questions being asked by these lovely ladies, Ruth Ann, Giovanni, and Denise. And we are back to more questions.
All right.
Yes,
Ruth Ann,
Ruth Ann.
what do you prefer?
Oh,
Clubbing, party, staying at home, being outdoors?
Being outdoors.
Being outdoors.
that.
Giovanni,
Clubbing.
clubbing. Denise,
Mix.
mix up all of them. One thing, you don't see act like
Denise
you're
is
fruit
just,
punch.
is just making sure she cover all her bases. I like everything and everyone.
Denise say, I come here by myself and I'm not going home by myself.
That's not it. I don't just like the one thing all the time.
You don't like the one thing. Stop it, Denise. Stop it. During movies, do you ask questions, sit quietly, watch, or you tend to just do a
Fall
doze off?
asleep.
Ask questions.
You ask
Uh-oh.
questions during the movie?
After.
Okay.
It's lies. It's during the movie. Tell the truth. Yes.
In the movie, I'm like, where my dog?
Oh, you're one of those. I'd carry him. Don't run, girl, run. All right. all
Don't
right.
sit behind me at the movies. Denise?
I might fall asleep if it's boring. I might fall asleep,
I
honestly.
fall asleep, Bertie.
yeah.
Samuel?
She falls asleep whilst watching. Anywho. Okay. What would you consider to be the perfect gift for your significant other? Samuel, you sleeping? Sit up now, Samuel. Them boring you?
Sit
Come
up,
on,
man.
Samuel,
Sit
sit
up,
up,
man,
man.
Samuel, man.
Samuel, them a boring man. I'm joking, ladies. That's just my sense of humor.
Yeah.
Ladies, what would you prefer to be what do you think is the perfect wait, go on, Duffy, ask a question.
Perfect gift. What's a perfect gift that you would give to Samuel?
Jewelry.
Jewelry?
He does not have a watch, ladies.
Giovanni?
Cologne.
Cologne?
Oh,
Denise, everything.
no,
Denise, I got give me everything.
Everything in life.
no, I'm not. A watch with his name on written on the back.
So she said she's better than her.
Agree.
She'll give a personalized watch,
Yes.
not just
I
a
like
watch.
personalized
All right, all
Okay,
right.
final question.
Final question, ladies. What is your dream holiday vacation? You may not say Portmore, ladies. Just for this. I know it's awesome.
Lime key.
No. Hey. Ladies, dream holiday vacation destination?
Paris, of course.
Paris, of course.
Well, understand. You have Paris money.
Don't talk, that lady, of course. She's a
Jump on it.
teacher. She does.
Dubai, walking the white
Dubai.
sand.
Dubai.
White
You
sand.
are Dubai.
Chest high. You have
That
Dubai
is-
money, sir?
Mine is an all-inclusive at Rio Montego Bay.
Rio
Real
Jamaica.
Montego Bay. Yes, so you, Dennis. Dennis, that's how we keep it local.
Samuel is
I
like,
love there.
me like she,
I
me
love
like
there.
she.
I love there.
Like
Samuel,
she.
Samuel, they asked me a question to ask you. What size shoes you wear?
Yes, Samuel?
9.
You have to answer that, Dennis. What size
9.
shoes you wear? 9?
Told ya.
What?
I love how the audience
What are
went.
the down?
It's like 9.
Size 9, no, remember, size 11.
Remember, size does not matter.
Nice at all.
Whether it's a size 9 shoe or a size 11, they're still as expensive. Okay, same price.
Right.
Okay, just saying. All right, I think we are now about to ask Samuel.
All right, Samuel, got it.
Samuel. Where's it? All right. So we've asked our 3 ladies many questions. We have Ruth Ann,
Dun, dun, dun.
who's the first person that spoke, Samuel.
Dun, dun, dun.
Then we had Giovanni,
Dun, dun, dun.
the second person that spoke. And the last person that spoke was Denise.
A little bit of everything.
She covered all her bases. Just to recap, Denise is a teacher.
No.
Giovanni's an entrepreneur, which you know what that means between us. I won't go into it. And Denise
The paralegal.
is a paralegal. We
Right.
all need that law. You know. Yes, yes.
Just in case.
Just in case.
Just in-
Samuel, after hearing these lovely ladies' answers, who is the person that you're definitely not, that you're saying, stop, not her? She has to leave the set right now. Who is the person that needs to go on home?
I'm sure the person who said Dubai a while ago, you know, white sand.
Dubai!
Wait, stop. Where's about white sand?
Right now, Dubai too dear right now.
Dubai is too
Dubai.
expensive. Samuel said he does not want the Dubai lady. Her chest is high. Negative.
All right. No,
Giovanni,
Dubai. No, Dubai, the kind of far.
you
Dubai,
had
the
your Dubai chest high.
Dubai. She could have started off at the Caribbean.
The man. Okay, so you're goodbye.
So we,
But you don't have to
They
get
cannot
up
stay, so,
because
okay.
we love you.
So
we don't
two
want you to
ladies
walk
are left.
the shame spiral.
2 ladies are left. We
I would
have-
like to ask you a question. What answer from the ladies really piqued your interest? That you're like, ooh, what answer?
What was your favorite answer?
Were you sleeping, Samuel?
No. One of them say, if they chop in a desert,
Yeah.
then they bring them cell phone and their child.
Yeah.
So that said that one day now look like she's more,
She groaned a little bit.
yeah.
What other answer piqued your interest? Quickly.
Me know ah,
Hey, hey, hey,
Me know ah, Me know
See, that's what I meant.
ah,
What other answer, Samuel?
She know she really kind of grounded. She more stick to her roots, like she more.
So you like that answer?
Yeah.
Which other answer you liked?
She does well rounded. She not
You just like the answer
I
then?
wonder if the one with
You
cover.
like the answer that where I come from far.
She does stay.
All right.
She really fussy.
So, Samuel, who is your Valentine's 2019 and beyond? Maybe if it goes well.
What I'm telling you, Nisha?
My back.
Nisha, you're in it, Nisha.
I'm invested.
Nisha, you're very
I'm
invested.
in it,
yeah.
man. Who is your winner? You want me to
Well,
remind you who the first, second, and third, or you remember the name?
that go the
A, B, or C?
With who? Which one?
A or C?
that deal with the C now.
C is the one.
With the paralegal. Z.
Hey! The paralegal! The
Hold
paralegal!
on. Could you come over here, Simon? Could you stand up, please? Stand up right here. Right here. Right.
Stay here.
Take
Okay.
2 steps. Take 2 steps right here. Could you come over, Denise?
We are doing right, you know.
Samuel,
Okay.
put on your hand, Samuel.
Don't move yet. First, Doctor, and tell them what they want, please.
Samuel, you have won a dinner for 2 at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel.
Yes.
Where you will have a Valentine's dinner buffet at the Blue Window Restaurant.
Yes.
Now, Samuel, you now see your date.
Oh, are we ready?
Denise,
Woo!
the paralegal, on a deserted island with a cell phone
Come
charge,
on,
and
Denise.
Samuel.
You're not legally take his
Take off the
blindfold
blindfold.
off.
Yeah, take it off. Take it off. Samuel, have eye closed.
Hey, what's his face? What's his face? Hey!
Samuel blush.
Samuel, are you blushing?
Samuel blush. And
Samuel.
now, second and third. Ladies, we're not leaving you out. We're not leaving you out at all.
Denise, can you come and stand next to your date for Valentine's Day?
Second runner-up, you'll not be going home empty-handed. You'll have lunch with a friend at Terra Nova. And third runner-up, you'll also be taking home a massage from Healing Hands.
Right. I don't have a date for Valentine's, so me you can park. Clubbing we say. Clubbing we say. Hey.
Hold on, stop.
No, no, yeah.
She's getting the Healing Hands
Oh, never mind.
massage.
Yes. Okay, guys, we are going to keep you updated as to how this turns out. You never know, next year on our Valentine's show, we could be having a proposal, maybe a wedding. We don't know. I'm so excited. Daytime Live, we'll see you guys on Friday. This was our Valentine's show. More buzz, chat, mix, vibe. Dupton,
yes.
join us back on Friday.